Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brian and welcome to Programming in Dart classes. This is the fourth and final course that teaches you the Dart programming language from the ground up. When we were last on our Dart journey, we wandered through the desert of functions and closures, but now we've arrived in a valley of milk and honey classes. Classes and by extension, object-oriented programming is a key aspect of writing Dart programs. In fact, when you write your Dart programs, your program is going to be composed of hundreds of different objects that interact with each other. But, and here's a matrix moment for you, you've been using objects in Dart all along. In fact, most everything is an object. Those strings, ints, and doubles, they're all objects. Lists, sets, and maps, objects. Even functions are objects. Almost everything in Dart is an object. When we write our programs, we define the templates of our objects called classes and then create instances of our objects that interact with each other. Naturally, this course will teach you how to define and create your objects. For this course, you don't need to download any fancy programming tools. You'll be doing all your Dart coding in a browser using Dartpad. This means you should have a modern browser like Firefox or Chrome. This course starts with an introduction of classes. You'll learn what they are and how to define them. Then you'll learn how to create a class constructor. Then you'll be introduced to initialization lists, after which you'll define multiple constructors in one class. Then you'll learn about creating static members. Finally, we'll close out this part with a discussion on enumerations. In addition to what I just covered, this course contains several hands-on challenges where you'll get to practice what you've just learned on your own. It's in your best interest to actually pause the video and try solving the challenge. You're going to be learning a ton by doing this. Also, a few of the examples were taken from the Dart Apprentice book. This is a book that teaches the Dart programming language and is included as part of the Ultimate Beginner subscription. So by all means, definitely read that book when you're finished or read it alongside the video course for maximum effect. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Enough talking. Let's get started. And that naturally starts with a discussion about classes.